Hello, today I'm in Ford F150. In this video I'll show you how to use front sprinklers and wipers. In the beginning, let's take a look behind the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. To use front sprinklers, press and hold the button located on the top of the lever. Unfortunately, right now I'm out of the washer fluid, but as you can see the wipers were going, which indicates that this function is working. If you want to use front wipers only, simply twist the top part of the lever and you can set it between various positions and speeds. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.